Hi everyone! Sa video na ito ay ibabahagi ko sa inyo kung paano ba tayo pwedeng kumita sa paggawa ng Facebook Reels gamit ang ating personal profile Facebook account.
Hi everybody! Welcome to our channel, A-NATH-ing under the sun.
If you're new to our channel, please like, share, and subscribe.
And don't forget to hit the notification bell below to notify you in our next video.
Paano nga ba tayo kikita sa Facebook Reels? Ano ang mga dapat mong gawin? Sa video na ito ay ibabahagi ko sa iyo ang 4 na hakbang na kailangan mong gawin upang kumita sa Facebook Reels. Una, kailangan mong i-turn on ang professional mode ng iyong personal profile Facebook account. And to do this, just go to your Facebook app and sign in. Then tap your profile picture. It's either here at the top left corner or here at the bottom right corner. Kapag dito ka na sa profile mo, just tap the 3 dots para makapunta ka sa profile settings and tap turn on professional mode. Once done turning on, you will see like this, and you will also see that your followers count will be seen in your profile and automatically your profile will be changed to as digital creator. Nandito ka na rin lang sa profile settings, you can also check your account status. Kung may history ka ng restrictions, just tap account status. Let's go to step 2. Ang ikalawa mong dapat gawin ay i-update ang profile settings mo into public para mas maraming makapanood ng Facebook Reels na i-upload mo. Just tap Privacy Center, then scroll down to bottom and tap Facebook. Ang sunod mo na gagawin is tap the profile settings and tap Privacy. Kailangan nakaset into public ang who can follow you, who can comment on your public posts, at nakaset din into everyone ang post notifications mo. Dapat din nakapublic ang profile information mo, but of course, you can still manage kung alin lang ang mga nais mong ipakita sa iyong personal information. Tatalakayin natin yan sa ibang video tutorial on how to edit your profile about information. And last, dapat naka-on ang comment ranking at Facebook previews. We're done at step 2, pumunta naman tayo sa step 3. Ang sunod na dapat mong gawin is to check your professional dashboard and monetization. Balik muna tayo sa home screen. There are 2 ways to check. Just tap profile picture. Maaaring dito sa taas o dito sa baba. Una, kung dito sa top left corner profile picture, mapupunta ka mismo sa profile mo and you will see the See Dashboard or View Tools. Tap it and it will show your profile performance, tools, and more. Second way, balik ulit tayo sa home screen and tap the bottom right profile picture. Dadalhin ka naman ito sa menu at makikita mo dito ang professional dashboard and it will show your profile performance, tools, and more. Kapag nasa professional dashboard ka na, scroll down and look for monetization. Titingnan natin ang available tools for monetization eligibility. Just tap monetization. Heto ang makikita mo. Kung eligible ka na for monetization, may makikita ka na under your tools. Kung hindi ka pa eligible, makikita mo naman ang not yet available. Halimbawa, kung eligible na kayo sa stars, when you tap it, you will see this. You will have to set up stars for payment. And if not eligible yet, this one will show up. As you can see, stars and other tools are not yet available. Tap the stars and you can read here that you're not yet eligible and the following criteria must be met. Dapat nakatira ka sa eligible country dahil may mga bansa na hindi available ang stars. Isa pang criteria para maging eligible sa stars ay dapat may 1,000 followers ka for 60 consecutive days. Ang kagandahan dito ay hindi mo na kailangan ang maraming followers. Kung marami kang FB friends, ay automatic na followers mo na sila. Tandaan, after mo na ma-turn on ang professional mode at nakita mo na may 1,000 followers ka na, gaya sa akin, nang ma-turn on ko ang professional mode ay mayroon na pala akong 1,000 plus followers. Kapag may 1,000 followers ka na, kailangan mo na lang na maghintay ng 60 days at maging available ang star sa iyong tools. May darating din sa iyo na notification sa Facebook kung eligible ka na for star monetization at kung maaari ka nang mag-set up for payment. And I will surely do another video tutorial how to set up payment information kapag eligible na for monetization. Marami pang ways to earn kay Facebook through uploading Facebook Reels. Kaya ang last step natin is upload your Facebook Reels. Ano ang Facebook Reels? Ito ang short-form videos up to 60 seconds long na maaari nating i-upload. Kaya mag-upload ka na ng Facebook Reels. The more upload, the more chances to open for more ways of earnings on Facebook Reels. Gaya na lamang na maaaring malagyan ng ads ang iyong Facebook Reels o kaya mapadalhan ka ng imbitasyon ng Play Bonus Reels. Bago pa lang din naman ako sa Facebook Reels at eligible na sa Star Monetization, nakaset up na rin ako for payment information. Kailangan ko lang na maabot ang earnings of a minimum of $100 to receive a payout. So what are you waiting for? I-turn on mo na ang professional mode ng iyong Facebook account. Update your profile settings to public. Check your professional dashboard and monetization. At ang higit sa lahat ay mag-upload na ng Facebook Reels. We're done. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you get some helpful information. God bless.